Okay, so in this video I wanted to show you how you can import your products via an Excel sheet. Now this can be handy because sometimes when you're importing products one by one it can be quite time consuming. But if you can create a nice looking spreadsheet like this, you can actually import all the data into the program in one go. So the way you want to do that is, firstly you want to create columns here at the top. So this was done for a fish and chip shop. I'll show you what their menu looks like. The menu looks like something like this. So you'll see in the red, that's the categories they have. And over here inside each category, they've got the products. So what I did was I went through that one by one, put it under each category, relevant category, and I put the product name and the price and the GST. If it's retail items, you might want to put your barcode in a new column, and you might want to put your stock in a new column as well. So once you have this spreadsheet, the next step becomes to export this spreadsheet in a very specific file format. So what you want to do is you want to click on File, Save As, and you want to save it as this file format over here, Tab D Limited Text. So now I'm doing this off a Mac, but on Windows you'd be able to click on File, Save As and find this particular file format, Tab D Limited Text. Once you've done that, you'll save it. I've already saved it. So that's the first step. Then the second step becomes going into the actual program and importing that sheet. So what you want to do is you want to open up the program, you want to go into Utility, and then you want to go into Import/Export. When you're clicking on it, you'll probably see something blank on the left side. So you want to click on Show All Fields here. And what you want to do is you want to rearrange all these items here in line with what's in the Excel sheet. So in the Excel sheet, first item you have is product, which I have here and I've ticked. The next product is price. So I moved it around just to give you an example. So I'll take this price, move it to the second one. Then we've got category, we'll move that to the third, and GST. So I've got these four boxes ticked here. It's important to have it in the right order, the same order as the Excel sheet. Once you're happy with that, then you go over here in this white text box, you click it, and then you find that tab delimited text file that you just saved from your Microsoft Excel. This one is, I believe, the first one here, and you want to make sure you click on tab delimited over here as well. There's a few different options here. I don't need to worry about that. And the next thing I want to do is I want to click on import. So it'll take a couple of seconds to import all that data. And once it's done, it should hopefully come up all in the database, and I'll show that to you as well. So now it's all done. To check if it's actually done or not, we'll go into stock, and what I'll do is I'll use view stock database as grid here, and you'll see all those items have actually come up over here all in one go. You can even select by category just to make sure the categories haven't come up here. You might need to restart the program for the categories to come up, but I can search for a fish, for example, snapper, and you can see here snapper has come up. So that's a quick way to import all your products in one go if you are comfortable with using Microsoft Excel sheets.